8 months after closing our Series A, we are proud to announce a $120 million Series B fundraise. It's the largest Series B in Ohio's history, and it will help us continue to expand our footprint within the gene therapy manufacturing space as we take both our therapeutic pipeline and our CDMO facility from concept to reality. Ultimately, this newest investment in Forge Biologics brings us one step closer to achieving our mission of enabling access to life-changing gene therapies and bringing them from idea into reality.
What we're building here at the Hearth, our AAV manufacturing center, will long outlive any of us that are working here. For decades, the promise of gene therapy has provided hope for families around the world. And we wanted to help forge alliances with all of the stakeholders, from families to clients to other manufacturers, to clinical sites and hospitals around the world, to be able to provide access to novel, potentially life-saving gene therapies. What we're doing is manufacturing gene therapies for life.